We have all generation of TC cards. Trützschler new card TC30i. It has all intelligent features which related to Industry 4.0.
We are very much satisfied with the TC30SI Trützschler cards due to their higher productivity. We are getting the same quality results with 40% higher production rate due to 35% higher carding length of the TC30SI. The quality is even better at higher production rates. Before we were achieving the high quality with 30 to 35 kilogram per hour production rate for synthetic. Today we are able to get at 70 kilogram per hour production rate, even better quality. And our customers' feedback is satisfied and they are happy with the product manufactured from the TC30SI.